Bila town had insured population of 120,000 people in the year 2000. For the first 6 years, 2000 until 2006, the population grew at a rate of 3.2% per year compounded annually. Starting from 2006 onwards, due to the development project, the growth rate increased to 4.5% per year compounded semi-annually. So question A is, calculate the population in the year 2006, which is we have to find S. We have P equal 120,000, we have I equal K over M, which is I equal 0.032 over 1, and we got N equal F multiplied to T, which is 3 multiplied to 10, we got F equal 30. So we want to find S, we use formula S equal P, 1 plus I power N. So we substitute S equal 120,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.032 close bracket power 30. So we calculate and the answer is S equal 144,964. So for question B, we have to calculate the population in the year 2030. So we have to find S. We have P equal 144,964 and we have I equal K over F, which is I equal 0.045 over 2, and we get I equal 0.0225. And we have F equal M multiplied to T, which is 2 multiplied to 7. And we get answer N equal 14. So we have to find S. We use formula S equal P, 1 plus I power N. So we substitute S equal 144,964 in bracket 1 plus 0.0225 close bracket power 14. And we calculate, the answer is S equal 197,946. So C, we have to find the total percentage increase in population from 2000 to 2030. We have formula percentage increase equal S 2030 minus P over P multiply 100%. So we substitute 197,946 minus 120,000 over 120,000 multiplied to 100%. And we got 77,946 over 120,000 multiplied to 100%. So we calculate and the answer is 64.96%.
Part A, question 2. Fahmi needs 60,000 ringgit and plans to take a personal loan. He has two options to consider. The first one is NAA Bank. This bank offers an interest rate of 4.3% compounded every 3 months. The next one is MHA Bank. This bank offers an interest rate of 4.4% compounded every 2 months. Question A, calculate the future value at the end of 9 years for each bank. For NAA Bank, we're going to calculate for the P is 60,000 ringgit. For I, we're going to use formula K percent over M. For the K is 4.3% and for the M is 4. So I equals to 4.3% over 4 equals to 0.01075. For the N, we're going to use M multiplied by T. M is 4 and T is 9 years. So N equals to 4 multiplied by 9 equals to 36. To find the future value, we use the formula S equals to P 1 plus I power N. So the calculation is going to be S equal to 60,000 1 plus 0.01075 power 36. The answer for S is RM 88171.10. Next is MHA Bank. P is still the same, which is 60,000 ringgit. For I equals to 4.4% over 6 equal to 0.0073. And for N, which is N equals to 6 multiplied by 9 equals to 54. Next is to find the future value. The formula is still the same, which is S equal to P 1 plus I power N. The calculation is S equal to 60,000 1 plus 0.0073 power 54. The answer for S is RM 88864.50. For question B, which bank should he choose and why? The answer is Fahmi chose NAA Bank because the interest rate is lower than MHA Bank, which is 4.3%.
10 years ago, RMX was invested in a bank account that paid an interest rate of 2.8% compounded every 4 months. If the balance in the account today is RM 99105.95, find the value of X. We have to find X, which is P. We have S equal RM 99105.95, and we have I equal K over M, which is I equal 0.028 over 3. And we have N equal M multiplied to T, which is 3 multiplied to 10, and we have N equal 30. So we want to find X, which is P. We use formula S equal P 1 plus I power N. And you substitute RM 99105.95 equal X in bracket 1 plus 0.028 over 3 close bracket power 30. So we get RM 99105.95 equal X in bracket 1.321412 721 close bracket. So we have to put X in the front, which is X equal RM 99105.95 over 1.321412 721. And we calculate them, and the answer is X equal RM 75,000 ringgit.
Hi everyone, let's move to part B, question 1. You can pause the video if you want to read the question first. Based on the question, we get K equals 12%, M equals 4, S equals 11,000, and T equals 4. So first of all, we search for I and we use formula I equals K over M. We substitute the amount 0.12 over 4 equals 0.03 is I. And we search for N. We use formula N equals M multiplied T and we substitute the amount 4 multiplied 4 equals 16 as the N. We want to search a deposit, so we use formula S equal R1 plus I power N minus 1 over I. We substitute the amount into the formula, so 11,000 equals R1 plus 0.03 power 16 minus 1 over 0.03. And we get the answer, 11,000 equals R multiply 20.1568813. And we calculate 11,000 over 20.1568813 equals R. And we get RM 545.72. For question B, we want to see if she be able to buy the Hermes Epson Kelly bag with her saving account after 5 years. From the last question, we get R equals 545.72, K equals 12%, M equals 4, and T equals 5. For I, we use from the last question, which is 0.03. And N is to search for new N, and we use formula N equals M multiplied T, and we substitute the amount, so we get 4 multiplied 5 equals 20 for the new N. We want to see her saving account after 5 years, so we use S equals R1 plus I over N minus 1 over I as the formula. We substitute the amount, S equals 545.72, 1 plus 0.03 power 20 minus 1 over 0.03, and we get S equals 545.72 multiply 26.87037449, and we get RM 1463.70 as the answer. Then we compare this saving with the price of the Hermes Epson Kelly bag, and we can see that Datuk Sri Berdua not be able to buy the Hermes Epson Kelly bag by that time because the price of Hermes Epson Kelly bag is more higher than her money in saving account after 5 years.
Hi everyone, so for my turn, I'm going to explain about part B, questions 2. So you guys can pause the video if you want to read the question first. So moving on to the questions, we want to find the accuracy of the monthly payment for both of the month plans, which is the 6-month plan and also the 12-month plans. So first, we calculate for the 6-month plan first, and then we need to find the processing fee. So based on the question, processing fee is based on the price item. So processing fee equals to 9% multiplied by RM 2690, then we got RM 242.10. So now we want to calculate the feature value. So we're using the formula S equals to V1 plus K over M and powered by M multiplied by T. So we enter the value S equals to RM 2690 1 plus 202.02 over 2 and then powered by 2 multiplied by 1. And then we got the answer S equal to RM 2744.07. So now we want to calculate the total price for the laptop. So the total price is equals to RM 242.10 plus RM 2744.07. And then we calculate and then we got the answer equals to RM 2986.17. Then we want to calculate the monthly payment for 6-month plan. Then we multiply by the 6. So monthly payment equals to RM 2986.17 over 6. And then we got the answer RM 497.70.
So now for processing fee equals to 18% multiplied by RM 2690, and then we got RM 484.20. So now we want to calculate the future value just like last time. We use the same formula. S is equal to RM 2690 1 plus 0.015 over 1 powered by 1 multiplied by 1. Then we got RM 2730.35. So for the total price equals to RM 484.20 plus RM 2730.35. Then we got RM 3214.55. So for the monthly payment equals to RM 3214.55 over 12. And then we got the answer equals to RM 267.88. So based on the question, should Hikaru proceed with the purchase and justify your recommendation? So in my opinion, I think yes, Hikaru should proceed with the purchase. And next, I suggest her to take the 12-month plans because the monthly payment for a 12-month plan is accurate. And based on her leisure expenses, the monthly payment for a 12 month is more affordable than the 6-month plan, which is RM 267.88.